Step-by-step instructions on how to make money selling your products on Amazon. Step 1. Create a seller account on Amazon by providing your business and personal information. Choose between two types of seller accounts, individual and professional. Step 2. Determine the appropriate product category for your products on Amazon. Step 3. List your products on Amazon by providing the product title, description, images, and pricing. Follow Amazon's guidelines for product images and descriptions. Step 4. Manage inventory and fulfillment. If you choose to fulfill orders yourself, manage your product inventory and fulfill the orders. Alternatively, use Fulfillment by Amazon, FBA, to have Amazon handle the shipping and handling of your products. Step 5. Set up your payment options with Amazon by providing your bank account information. Step 6. Adhere to Amazon's policies and guidelines for sellers, such as providing customer service and handling returns. Step 7. Optimize your product listings for higher visibility and better conversion rates. Use search engine optimization, SEO techniques to improve rankings in Amazon's search results and optimize your product listing. Step 8. Promote products. Use Amazon's advertising and promotion tools to drive more traffic and sales. Use sponsored products, brand ads, or giveaways to promote your products. Step 9. Monitor performance. Track your sales performance, review the customer feedback and ratings, and adjust your strategy accordingly. By following these instructions, you can start selling your products on Amazon and grow your business with the help of their vast audience and powerful e-commerce platform.